we're going to explain how to change the HDMI input on your Sceptre monitor. There are typically a few ways to do this, depending on your specific Sceptre monitor model. 1. Using the on-screen display, OSD. Buttons. Most Sceptre monitors have a small cluster of buttons on the front, usually located on the bottom or side bezel. These buttons control the OSD menu. Press the button labeled Menu or a similar icon to access the settings. 2. Navigating the OSD menu. Once the OSD menu is open, you'll need to find the Input, Source, or Signal option. This might require navigating through different menus using the up and down buttons. The exact wording and menu structure can vary slightly between models. 3. Selecting your HDMI. Input. After locating the Input, Source, or Signal selection, use the left and right buttons to cycle through the available input sources. You should see options like HDMI 1, HDMI 2, VGA, and possibly others. Choose the HDMI input you want to use. 4. Confirming the selection. After making your selection, press the Enter, OK, or Select button to confirm and apply the change. The monitor should now display the signal from the chosen HDMI port. 5. Troubleshooting. If you can't find the input selection option in the OSD menu, check your monitor's user manual. The manual should provide detailed instructions specific to your model. If the OSD buttons are not responding, ensure the monitor is properly powered on. There might be a power-saving mode or a setting that's preventing the OSD from appearing. 6. Alternative methods, less common. Some older Sceptre models might have a physical input selector switch located on the back of the monitor near the HDMI ports themselves. Check the back of your monitor to see if you have such a switch. 7. Automatic source detection. A few Sceptre monitors may have auto-detect functionality. If you plug in a device to an HDMI port and the monitor doesn't automatically switch, then refer to the above steps. In this case, the auto-detect feature might be disabled or not working correctly. 8. HDMI cable issues. If you're still having trouble, ensure the HDMI cable is securely connected to both your monitor and your device. Sometimes a loose connection can disrupt the signal. Try a different HDMI cable to rule out cable issues. Remember to consult your monitor's user manual for model-specific instructions. The steps outlined above are general and might require slight adjustments depending on your specific Sceptre monitor model.